Good morning. Here today I am discussing with you a letter from the official website and the sample has been attached by them. So let's discuss this question. So your doubts will be cleared if I am discussing some samples from the OET website itself. First I am giving some time to for you to read. In case if you haven't read anything, if you haven't read anything, please pause the video and watch. So I will be discussing this with you. So this is our question. So this is how it is going to look like. So first we can read what, and you are a charge nurse. Then directly we can go and read, write a letter to any person, senior nurse, okay, who will be responsible for Mr. Baker's continuing caring at the nursing home. Okay, we got this much information. Now we should know what is that patient's problem. In that case, we will be reading and discharge. There will in the diagnosis there will be some point. Otherwise, in the treatment, here they have given itself reason for admission. So we can understand that it's a left total hip replacement. Total hip replacement is THR, and osteoarthritis. So difficulty in mobilizing and climbing stairs. So when I noticed it's like a shoulder replacement, hip replacement, there could be some. It's not necessary, but it might be result to osteoarthritis also. When I refer few questions, it's not so important. The pattern I just discussed with you. Now we can read the discharge plan. So here monitor medication, particularly they are talking about Pantene Forte. In that case you can mention about Pantene Forte. Skin integrity is a common point. Exercise program is a common point. Equipment required. It's not equipments. Equipment required. Three equipment we need: wheelie walker, wedge pillow, toilet razor. Hospital to provide walker. It's not already provided, it's going to provide. Hospital to provide walker and pillow. Hospital social worker organize 2-week hire of razor from local medical supplier. So there is an organized social worker for this. Now let's check the social background. Anything related to this has been mentioned or not? Nothing has been mentioned. Actually, this is in the why I marked is that it's not related to illness or it's not related to discharge plan. But in the answer they have given one point like this. That's the only reason why I marked this. Otherwise, if we read this, we can understand that this is not so important. Now medical background 2000. So this patient is admitted, discharged in 2018. In that case, medical background 2016 is important and remaining is not important because it's olden days. They have particularly asked about Pantene Forte in the discharge plan. Okay, and this aspirin is recommenced. It's not initiated, recommenced post-operatively. So we can write that. Then comes nursing management. So related to all wound, incision site will be a common point. Okay, how we can change the range of motion stretching and strengthening exercise, occupational therapy, staple to be removed. Staples to be removed is a common point. Follow-up test at hospital clinic. Now assessment, good mobility post operation. So in this case mobility is good progression is the weight bearing with use of wheelie walker, walk length of ward without difficulty, continued observation, post-operative disorientation. Okay, you can read this. And then they are particularly talking about anesthesia, means anemia, dropped hemoglobin post-operatively. So it was post-operatively the hemoglobin level dropped, and now they have done blood transfusion. Hemoglobin is stable also on discharge, and now we have to monitor anemia. And they have particular discuss about disorientation. This is a one common point, I guess, possibly relating to anesthesia. It could be relating to anesthesia. So that's the reason why continued observation is recommended, because it could be disorientation might be related to anesthesia. And the social background, they are saying no signs of dementia observed. Now we can read the sample letter which is published by OIT. So there is no 2 over here, no comma. They have written format over here. This date in this format. RA has been given above dear Miss Bruin. So here actually in all sample letters we can see a comma, but here in this website they haven't mentioned any comma over here. So I guess it won't be wrong if you are missing out comma also, because that's what OET sample teaches. Now Mr. Baker is being discharged from any name back into your care today. They haven't written was or anything like that. He underwent a total hip replacement. Okay, Mr. Baker is being discharged from dash back into your care today. He underwent, was or has not mentioned like that, they just use underwent a left total hip replacement. In the sample letters I feel like that this is more simpler than that we learn also. Mr. Baker, second paragraph, Mr. Baker was recommenced, because that is again initiated, it's the second time. Was recommenced on medicine name, because it's this medicine has been mentioned because it's recommenced, one point is there. On medication daily post-operatively. Post-operatively they have written like this, daily, in addition to his usual treatment. So I have, sometimes there will be several diseases, so you other than your major diagnosis, then it is doubtful how to write that. In addition to his usual treatment, normal treatment, so he is already taking some medication for some things. In addition to his usual treatment for hypertension, he requires continuous pain relief, Pentamin Forte. They have particularly asked about Pentamin Forte, and daily dressing changes. This skin integrity is a common point, and daily dressing changes to preserve skin integrity. One second, preserve skin integrity has been given like this. So it's like daily dressing changes to preserve his skin integrity. Only preserve skin integrity has been written. some additional points are daily dressing changes to preserve his skin integrity. He has good mobility. Good mobility post operation. He has good mobility and can walk along the ward using a wheelie walker without difficulty. There is no problem for him to walk without. They have added any over here, without any difficulty. He is to undergo a series of range of motion. Okay, let's see how they have written. Range of motions, this point. He is to undergo a series of, they haven't given series of and all over here, a series of range of motion. Okay, they haven't used an hyphen here, but here they, in the sample answer they have used hyphen. Range of motion, stretching and strengthening exercise and occupational therapy. So they have combined these 2 points together to ensure a full recovery. Extra added, to ensure a full recovery. We are sending a walker and wedge pillow with the patient. With whom? With the patient. So equipment required. It's like hospital to provide. It's not been provided till now. It will be provided. Walker and pillow. So they have changed their word to we are sending. One case note which I have discussed, crutches has been provided. Now here not provided. We are sending a walker and wedge pillow with the patient. Our social worker has organized hire of a toilet racer for 2 weeks. A hospital social worker, our social worker our social worker has organized SAD hire of a toilet racer for 2 weeks. See, they have mentioned racer, but they haven't mentioned toilet racer and all. It's like our social worker organized 2-week hire for toilet racer. Like that they have written. So during post-operative recovery, Mr. Baker appeared disoriented. So this how there will be a point disoriented. How we have to how to change that word into a sentence. Appeared disoriented. As there is no record of dementia from the social background we are getting. As there is no record of dementia, this may relate to anesthetic continued observation is recommended. Nevertheless recommended. See, continued observation recommended. They have added nevertheless over here. They are telling possibly relating to anesthetic. Okay. His sister may be able to comment Mr. Baker's hemoglobin dropped post-operatively. See, here over discharge plan over they are talking about her sister. Only in one place they are talking about the sister, that is in the social background. that sister is very supportive and they visit regularly. See, it's even if it's difficult for you to find out all those points, so you can just keep it. It's not necessary. May be able to comment Mr. Baker's hemoglobin dropped post-operatively. He dropped hemoglobin. How they change hemoglobin? Hemoglobin dropped post-operatively. He was transfused 3 units of red blood cell. He was, let's see, requiring transfusion of 3 units. That they changed to he was transfused 3 units of packed red blood cells without any complication. Without, how to write, there are no other complications. Without complication. And his hemoglobin on, they have used HB here. See, have you noticed? Hemoglobin on discharge is stable. Now it's stable. Please monitor for signs of anemia. Why they have returned? Because anemia. Ongoing monitor required for anemia. Please monitor for signs of anemia. Staples common point. Mr. Baker will have his staples removed at or follow blood test will also be conducted. See. Here what they have added extra and also will also be conducted, like that they have conducted, that is the word they have used. Please contact me with any queries. See, they haven't used comma even here. Dear Miss Bruin also they haven't used. Even if you write, no problem with that. So that's the discussion with the sample from the OET.